y'all brand new to gardening, you're looking forward to getting your first garden out there planted, regardless of what time of the year it is, and you're doing all your research and you're in the stores and you keep seeing and hearing about this thing called NPK, y'all don't fret, I got you. This quick 5-minute video is going to tell you everything you need to know about those 3 little letters, N, P, and K. So sit back, relax, grab some coffee, let's learn. Now, why is that important? Why is when you go into a store and you're looking at fertilizer bags and everything, you've got those numbers on them. Sometimes there's a 10-0-0, a 0-0-10, a 0-10-10, a 10-10-10, a 20-10-5. Seriously, what does it all mean, right? This is why it's really, really important to understand these 3 letters. Think about when you were a kid and you were constantly told, drink your milk so you can get big and strong. You need your calcium, you need your vitamins, yada, yada, yada. Well, it's the same with growing plants. They need their fertilizers, they need their nutrition, and the NPK are the big 3 that plants need. So the N is nitrogen. Plants need nitrogen. Nitrogen promotes growth in the plant. So the N is for nitrogen, growing your plant. That first number is important if what you want to do is get your plant growing. The P is for phosphorus. Now, why is phosphorus important? Well, that helps promote root growth. So that second number will go to how much phosphorus is in that fertilizer to help stimulate root growth, which of course, if you don't have a good strong foundation, which for plants are the roots, your plants aren't going to do anything. So again, the N is nitrogen, the P is phosphorus, and that leaves us K, and K is potassium. Now that'll be the third number, and potassium helps build the plant, build the flowers, grow bigger, healthier fruit and flowers. So if you're having an issue with your fruit growing or your plant not flowering enough, because without the flowers you're not going to get the fruit, then consider getting a fertilizer that has a high 3rd number, because that is what potassium focuses on. Now, if all this NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and all this just is like crazy to remember, think about it this way. And I learned this from this book right here. A link for this book is down below in the description. Y'all, if you're new to gardening, I highly, highly, highly suggest you read this book. But in this book, he comes up with a way that is super easy to remember. Instead of NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, just remember this: shoots, roots, and fruits. Super easy. Shoots, that's the nitrogen, helping the plant grow. Roots, that's the phosphorus, helping the root system grow. And then fruits is the potassium, helping your plant produce flowers and fruits. So again, if the whole NPK and all this other stuff is just too much, shoots, roots, and fruits. Just remember that. And then you can remember which number it goes to what. Super easy. Ever since I read that right here in this book, y'all, I've had no trouble with anything to do with the NPK system. Now, just let me show you what we're talking about here. Here on this fish emulsion, you'll see a 5-1-1. So that means there's a lot of nitrogen and a little bit of phosphorus and potassium. Now, this stuff is great for heavy feeders like peppers that need a lot of nitrogen, and it gives a little bit of extra to those other 2 numbers just to kind of give those areas a boost. But when you're looking at your NPK charts on all the different fertilizers, now you'll know exactly what each of those means. Shoots, roots, and fruits. And that is your Tuesday growing tip of the week. All right, everyone, that was a down and dirty, quick, fast class on the NPK. Hope y'all got something out of it. Hope you learned something from it. And I hope this makes sense with the little way of thinking about them. Shoots, roots, and fruits. Keep saying that and you're never going to forget. If you got anything out of this video, do me the 3 favors: share, like, and subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already. If you're new to gardening and you're looking for a beginner gardener channel, you found it. Click the subscribe button, hit that little bell so you're always notified when I upload videos. And y'all, consider subscribing to this fast growing community of like-minded gardeners here on YouTube. Everyone take care, God bless, continue to shine bright and harvest hard. I hope y'all got something out of this. Remember, shoots, roots, and fruits. You'll never go wrong. I'll talk to y'all again real soon.